Welcome to our interactive Tangram experience, a digital minigame designed to challenge logic, spatial reasoning, and creativity, one level at a time. Inside this wooden box, 7 geometric pieces become unlimited possibilities. The game features 4 progressive levels. Each one introduces a new challenge. Level 1, the cat. A perfect starting point to understand the mechanics and rebuild the silhouette. Level 2, the boy. A more complex structure that demands sharper observation and precision. Level 3, the man. Here, strategy becomes essential. Every piece must be placed with intention. And finally, Level 4, the tower. The ultimate test. Balance, proportion, and spatial awareness combined. Players drag and position each piece to match the reference figure. Clear visual objectives guide the experience, making it intuitive and engaging. This Tangram minigame is fully expandable, customizable, and ready to integrate into educational or digital learning projects. Simple, interactive, effective. Ready to play? We start by adding the title, Tangram, to our design. Next, we define the structure of the workspace. From the top left menu, we open View, enable rulers, grid, and guides, and customize the layout. A settings panel appears on the right side. Here, we create 2 columns and 8 rows. We set the spacing between columns to 100 and between rows to 5. Then, we go to Resources, open Shapes and Connectors, and select See More. We choose a rounded square shape and adjust it on the left side of the layout until it fills all the rows. Finally, we set its color to white. Yeah, let's go! Now, we're going to create a wooden box for our Tangram pieces. We designed 3 brown layers to simulate wood and stack them on top of each other. Then, we can either copy and paste the pieces from a Genially template or create our own. For now, we'll use the pieces available on the platform, place them inside the box, and adjust the size. Now we need some challenges. The good news is, there are thousands of Tangram templates online. We could literally play Tangram forever. Just kidding. A quick search is enough to find a suitable figure. I selected this one. Now we simply add a label for level 1, the cat, and adjust the background color so it matches the reference image. Unfortunately, Genially's drag and drop feature does not allow users to rotate pieces. So, we'll rotate and arrange them ourselves first, making sure the figure can actually be rebuilt. To do that, we select all the pieces and copy them into the assembly area. We construct the full shape and change its color to light gray, so the player clearly understands the objective. Next, we go piece by piece. We click on Interaction and link each draggable piece to its corresponding target in the assembly area. Finally, we adjust the last details and make sure the connections between the pieces and the drop zones work correctly. For level 2, we duplicate the slide. We replace the challenge image with a new figure. Remember, it's important to verify first that the shape can actually be built. We assemble it, duplicate the pieces, update the level number and name, and recreate the interactions. Then we test everything using the preview button in the bottom right corner. For the remaining levels, we follow the exact same logic. Simple, efficient, repeatable. Next, we create a start screen and a completion screen. And that's it. We now have a 3-level interactive Tangram minigame that can be expanded, customized, or integrated into other projects. If you're interested in designing digital educational products, make sure to subscribe. You can also leave a comment telling us what you'd like to see next. See you soon!